Tajiro is one of the biggest knife brands. They are really combining machine manufacturing and handcraft. Today Tajiro has two manufacturers in one place. Our guide Shinjiro Kida explained why.
Now we show you our new factory, which is built last year. So this factory is 1 year old. We built this factory and show inside to the public. Anybody can come and watch what we are doing. And many people nowadays, they are interested in this kind of craftsmanship. So yeah, it is getting quite popular. Now we get inside.
In a new factory, visitors can see basic steps of mass knife production. But the most interesting that exactly here in open manufacture, blacksmiths are making hand-forged Tajiro knives. It is very limited edition of kitchen and hunting knives. Here works 6 blacksmiths, including 1 master. Master forging the basic workpiece and other workers after that grinding, making and installing the handles, sharpening and polishing knives. There are many steps before workpiece becomes the knife, totally handmade Tajiro knife. In Tajiro factory you can see steels and knife handles workpieces before it becomes knife. New manufacture is open, everybody can come here with excursion. Main manufacture is not allowed for visiting, so all videos about Tajiro manufacture that you saw before are from new open manufacture. But for us Kida-san made the exclusion, so today you will see Tajiro main manufacture. Blade production is secret, but other manufacturing processes we will show for you.
The main factory is not open to the public.
The main part of Tajiro knives are made of VG10 steel or other high carbon steels. All knife workpieces have 2 steps of heating. After main heating and cooling by water and air, knives are heated one more time, 2 hours with a low temperature. It makes knives flexible, and after that workpieces come to grinding department.
Each item has to be grinded in different way. So and it takes time to adjust the machine for the certain items. That's why, for example, this machine goes to chef knives and this machine goes to santoku. That like that, we need many machines.
Grinding is very important process. There should be correct line, correct thickness and correct length. In Tajiro factory after making there is hand grinding. Masters check all knives and make them ideal with hand grinding.
So the grinding machines on this side, and this side is sharpening or hand grinding. They grind once again this part and then to the final sharpening. But welding is in another factory. So after welding we put a handle mounting and logo printing.
There are different kinds of handles, Western and traditional Japanese. Mounting of Japanese handle is making also by hands. This work requires not only physical force, but a very sharp vision. The blade must be perfectly straight to the handle. This is the way how making, for example, popular Tajiro series Zen, Shirogami, Shippu and DP hammered. When knives go to export, special glue is added. But for domestic Japanese market there is no glue. Japanese cook and chiefs love to change handles, so they take in blade away and install it to the new one.
There are 2 types of handles. One is a stainless steel handle, and another is a wood or parka wood black handles. There's 3 rivets on the handle, and this metal plate, we call this tongue. There's 2 holes on the tongues, and we put 2 rivets on that, and we fix it. And the 3rd hole, there's no holes inside, so what she's doing now is make a final hole and fix with the rivet. Why we do this? Because sometimes if there's a 3 holes, it doesn't fit. We put the logo on each blade. Here's the handle polishing. After mounting the handle, of course it has to be polished.
After handle mounting, knives are sharpening by 3 steps: wet and dry sharpening and polishing. Then knives come to handle and bolster polishing. Some Tajiro knives have matte streaks. This matching that looks like some medical equipment makes these streaks. When the knife is ready, it goes to final step: inspection and packaging.
After handle is polished, blade is sharpened, everything is done. Then we go to the final inspection and packing. In this room, those ladies, they do final inspection. They take a look if there is any scratch or anything wrong with the knife, and if it's okay, they wipe off everything clean, and then they put it in a box, and then ready to go. And they do like 300 to 400 pieces per day. So, and about 10 people are working here. That means we produce like 3,000 to 4,000 pieces per day.
I was sure that all manufacturing steps at Tajiro factory are made by machines, and now you see how I was surprised.
Our factory involves a lot of handwork compared with, for example, a German factory. German factory is very computerized, it's very modern. Everything is done by robot. That is good. That is good for mass production, but Japanese knives is more, I would rather say, more sensitive.